Hey there, what's up, replay viewer? Coach Fryer here. Super excited to be with you. Today's title is 3 Things You Need to Know to Make Money in This Economy Right Now. If you're someone who's maybe been affected by all that's going on, my hope and prayer is that today's message is informational, it's educational, it helps you to maybe start thinking outside the box and ultimately provide you some ideas and a little bit of wisdom, a potential solution for you to go out there and figure out how you can make some more money with all that's going on. I'm really thankful to be here. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy day or evening, depending upon when you're watching this video, to tune in live. If you could just do me a huge favor and just type your initials in the comments below. That's gonna just gonna allow me to recognize each and every one of you. And allow me to show you some love and praise. Does that sound good? First and foremost, though, do you guys like my shirt? Check that out. This is what we do. This is how we do it, right? This is how we roll. We're choosing faith over fear amidst all that's going on. So here's my promise for you here today is I want to leave you better than you came. At the end of this video, I want you to leave better, smarter, a little bit of information, some ideas, has your mind spinning, right? When you leave this broadcast in just a handful of minutes. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I want to dig right in. Thank you so much for being here. If you know anybody else who this video might benefit or help, can you just do me and you and them a favor and share this broadcast out right now as to as many folks as you can. Tag someone who's been affected by all that's going on, and hopefully this will give them some hope. So let's dive right in. I got to share with you these 3 simple things. It's going to simplify your life no matter where you're at, what have you. 3 things you need to make money in this economy right now. I hope you're taking notes. Write this down. Number 1, here we go. Number 1, you need vision. You need vision, right? You need vision. If you want to make money in this economy right here, right now, you need a vision. You need to figure out what the heck's going on. Most, unfortunately, are having to make some changes. And I'm sympathetic. I'm compassionate. I understand. I'm sympathizing. I'm praying. I'm doing all those things for every single person who's affected. But listen, we can sit here and cry in a corner and cry the blues, by golly, or we can get off our freaking rear ends and go do something about it. Most people, probably you, are having to figure out how to make some changes. You're needing to pivot slightly. Listen, I'm in hopes that when all this is over, that your job, for example, your business, gets back to normal, per se. You can get back to doing what you do. But I want you to assume, give me the benefit of the doubt, do me a huge favor. I want you to assume that when all this is gone, your job isn't going to be there. Now, I know that's not maybe the nicest thing to say, but I need you to start thinking like this. So many of us are dependent upon this thing or that thing. I need you to start thinking outside the box. I want you to, hypothetically for just a moment, pretend that your job is not going to be there in 4, 6, or 8 weeks when all this subsides. My challenge, I'm challenging you to assume that your job won't be there. I'm seriously asking you right now, what else can you do? What other passions do you have? What other interests do you have? I just saw my buddy Jonathan Tynes from Kickprint, my good buddy. Quick shout out to him. He just ran an incredible campaign. I think it's still open. You guys can grab these shirts. It's free plus shipping, right? He's giving away these shirts, and you can donate to the cause. Incredible. I picked up a couple of items. I got a really cool hat and a shirt. I see some of you saying, "Hey, give me. I want that shirt." Jonathan, if you're still on here, buddy, put the link to the store if you would in the comments so they can pick up some of this swag, right? Okay. So when it comes to this vision, right? Okay? A lot of you right now, I've seen in the newsfeed, you're starting to see that, maybe this whole work from home thing is starting to make a little bit more sense. Figuring out how you can make some money from home, it's starting to make a little bit more sense. Maybe some of you are not there yet, but for some of you, you're just like, Heck, I might not ever be able to go back to my job. Unfortunately, maybe I lost my job. I'm going to have to figure something else out. You, number one, need to start with vision. Was that helpful? Was that helpful? Put a number one in the comments if it was. Let's dive into number two. Number two, the second thing you need to make money in this economy right now, number two, you need a vehicle. You need a vehicle. Vehicle. Now, I'm not talking about the car or the truck or whatever that you drive. I'm talking about the vehicle, the opportunity. Okay? The opportunity. You need a vehicle to get to your vision, right? Okay, listen. Again, I understand. Some things are not going as planned. It's not what I planned. It's not what you planned. And nobody saw this coming. And I want you to understand that I'm hoping and I'm praying that your job or whatever, however you've been affected, that when this subsides, that you're going to be able to go back to your job and do what you do what you love. Okay? But I want to challenge you to start thinking a little bit bigger. Okay? I think you would agree with me now that a plan B or a potential side income, right, okay, is no longer a luxury. It's no longer an option. It's gonna be a necessity, whether you like it or not. I know a lot of families out there, the dad's working, the mom's working. Some of them are working 2 or 3 jobs just to make ends meet. That's not a way to live. I'm challenging you to be open. There are options. And best case scenario, what I'm praying that you understand is that I'm challenging you to, you go back to your job. That's awesome. That's great. A job is great, and a lot of you need to go back and start with that. That's fine. But I'm asking you, how else can you prepare? How else? Listen, how else can you prepare to not be in the situation that you're in right now financially? How can you best prepare to not be in the situation that you're in right now? That's my challenge for you. You see, I told you I was going to get under your skin a little bit. I'm going to make you think. Was that helpful? Put a number 2 in the comment section. You need a vehicle. So you've got vision. You need a vehicle. Number 3, last but not least, and we're going to finish up. You need some direction. You need some direction. You have a vision. Okay, here's what I want to do, or here's some of my interests, or here's some ideas. Now you need to choose your vehicle. You need to figure out how you're going to get there. Number 3, you need some direction. You need some direction. Don't think for one moment that you're going to do this by yourself, or that you have to do this by yourself. There's folks out there that are open, ready, and willing to help you. Do you understand? You need help. I'm telling you right now, put your ego down, raise your hand, and just say, I need some help. I don't even know where to start. Maybe I do know where to start, but what do I do next? How do I turn this into this? How do I take this piece and do here? What's the next steps? I have no idea, Coach Fryer. You need guidance. For a lot of you, right? Okay? For a lot of you, that's going to mean you're going to probably be stepping into some new territory, right? Everybody maybe teased everybody before about working from home, and I'll be honest with you. A lot of the people that know us kind of look to us as, oh, you're lucky, or you're this, or you're that, and we're like, no. This is a choice. We choose to work from home. It's a blessing, yes, but by golly, we work our freaking tails off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you're most likely going to step into this new territory. A lot of you are realizing, like, oh my gosh, like, I would love to be. I'm getting a taste. I'm getting a glimpse of what it is to be able to stay at home a little bit more and have some more family time and do some of those things, right? Okay? Some of you have been neglecting that. Some of you, this moment right now is very humbling. But you need direction. You need help. You need guidance. My suggestion for you is you start seeking mentorship and you start seeking community. Start seeking mentorship. Somebody who's doing what you want to do and can maybe teach you a few things. So, a community full of others who you can bounce ideas and questions around. You want to come and say hi? She come here and say hi. Come here. Come here, pumpkin. Come here. Boo Boo wants to say hi. I know. You want to say hi? We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay? You need to seek mentorship. You need to seek community. Okay? We have today, for everybody who's tuning in, up above in the description of this video, there's a free community with lots of folks who are open, ready, willing to be able to help you, guide you through whatever you're going through. Okay? It's full of over 13,000 other entrepreneurs, and you can get immediate access right now, and it's absolutely free. It's a free Facebook community. Say hi, Boo Boo.
Hi.
Say I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
She's got some good hair. They're making forts over here outside my my office, okay? So I'm going to encourage you right now, up in the description, click that link. It's to our free Facebook group, 13,000 other entrepreneurs, so that we can help you or start guiding you or maybe even answer just a few questions for you on figuring out your vision, defining how you're going to get there, which vehicle is going to get you there, and then, right, give you some actual directions, some next steps. It's a free group. Why would you not get in there and start snooping around and figuring out how this might be able to help you, all right? I hope and pray you got some value from this particular video. Say bye, Boo Boo. Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace out.
So.
God bless you guys. Let's go prepare to impact. See you next time.